Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the incredible benefits of one of the most delicious tropical fruits out there, pineapple. You know that feeling when you take a bite of juicy pineapple and that sweet, tangy flavor just explodes in your mouth? Well, get ready to be amazed because those delicious bites are packed with vitamins, minerals, and powerful enzymes that can seriously boost your health. We're talking about everything from a stronger immune system to glowing skin, better digestion, and even some surprising benefits you wouldn't expect. So stick around as we uncover 30 amazing benefits of pineapple you probably didn't know. First up, let's talk about that immune system of yours. We're all about building a strong defense against those pesky germs, right? Well, pineapple is here to help. This tropical fruit is bursting with vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that gives your immune cells a serious boost. Think of vitamin C as the captain of your immune system's team, rallying the troops and making sure they're ready to fight off any infections that come your way. So, next time you're feeling a little run down, reach for a delicious pineapple. Ever feel that post-meal sluggishness? You know, that heavy, bloated feeling that just doesn't quit? Well, pineapple contains a secret weapon called bromelain. Bromelain is a powerful enzyme that acts like a digestive superhero, swooping in to break down those stubborn proteins and ease your digestion. It's like giving your stomach a helping hand so you can enjoy your meals without discomfort. Pineapples aren't just delicious, they're like a natural multivitamin packed into one tasty fruit. We're talking about a potent blend of vitamins A, B6, E, and K, all working together to keep your body functioning at its best, but that's not all. Pineapples also bring a hefty dose of minerals to the table, including manganese and copper, which play crucial roles in bone health, energy production, and even collagen formation for healthy skin. Chapter 4. Fighting inflammation like a pro-bromelain to the rescue. Inflammation is a natural process, but sometimes it can get out of control and lead to discomfort and health issues. That's where pineapple's secret weapon, bromelain, comes into play again. Bromelain's potent anti-inflammatory properties help reduce swelling and pain throughout the body. Think of it as a natural soother, calming things down and promoting healing from the inside out. Chapter 5. Weight loss. Wonder pineapple's sweet secret to success, trying to shed a few pounds? Pineapple can be your new best friend on your weight loss journey. Why? Because it's surprisingly low in calories and packed with fiber, a winning combination for feeling full and satisfied. Fiber helps regulate your digestion, prevents those pesky blood sugar spikes that can lead to cravings, and keeps you feeling fuller for longer. So swap out those sugary snacks for a delicious serving of pineapple and watch those pounds melt away. Chapter 6. Clear vision, bright future, pineapple for eye health. Let's talk about those precious peepers of yours. Pineapple is a fantastic source of vitamin C and antioxidants, both of which play a crucial role in maintaining good eye health. These nutrients act like bodyguards for your eyes, protecting them from harmful free radicals and reducing the risk of age-related eye diseases. So, eat your pineapple and see the world in all its vibrant glory. We all want strong, healthy bones, right? Well, pineapple contains a key mineral called manganese, which is essential for maintaining bone density and strength. Manganese works behind the scenes, helping your body absorb calcium and build strong bones that can withstand the test of time. So, make pineapple a regular part of your diet and give your bones the support they deserve. Want that radiant, healthy glow? Look no further than pineapple. This tropical fruit is packed with vitamin C, a crucial nutrient for collagen production. Collagen is like the scaffolding that holds your skin together, keeping it firm, elastic, and wrinkle-free. And the antioxidants in pineapple? They're like little warriors fighting off free radical damage that can age your skin. Blood clots can be a serious health concern, but pineapple might just hold the key to reducing your risk. Remember bromelain, that awesome enzyme we talked about earlier? Well, it turns out bromelain has another superpower. It can help prevent blood clots by stopping platelets from sticking together and forming those dangerous blockages. It's like a natural blood thinner, keeping your circulation flowing smoothly. Feeling a little down? Pineapple to the rescue! This tropical fruit contains serotonin, a natural mood-boosting hormone that can brighten your day. Serotonin plays a vital role in regulating mood, sleep, and even appetite. So, next time you need a little pick-me-up, indulge in some delicious pineapple and let those happy hormones flow. Your heart works hard for you, so let's give it the love it deserves. Pineapple is a fantastic source of antioxidants and fiber, both of which play crucial roles in maintaining a healthy heart. Antioxidants protect your heart from damage caused by free radicals, while fiber helps lower cholesterol levels and keep your arteries clear. It's a winning combination for a healthy ticker. Need a natural energy boost to power through your day? Pineapple is here to help. This tropical fruit is a good source of natural sugars and carbohydrates, providing your body with a quick and sustained energy boost. Unlike those sugary snacks that lead to energy crashes, pineapple's natural sugars are absorbed slowly, providing sustained energy without the jitters. Living with arthritis pain can be incredibly challenging, but pineapple might offer some much-needed relief. Thanks to its potent anti-inflammatory properties, bromelain can work wonders in reducing pain and stiffness in joints. It's like a natural pain reliever, targeting inflammation at the source and helping you regain mobility and comfort. A healthy smile is a beautiful smile, and pineapple can help you achieve just that. This tropical fruit has natural astringent properties, which means it can help tighten up those gums and prevent plaque buildup. Think of it as a natural mouthwash, promoting gum health and keeping your breath fresh. Free radicals are like little troublemakers in your body, causing damage to your cells and contributing to aging and disease. But fear not, pineapple is here to save the day. This tropical fruit is absolutely loaded with antioxidants, those powerful compounds that neutralize free radicals and protect your cells from damage. It's like having a whole army of tiny superheroes fighting for your health. Breathe Easy Pineapple for respiratory support, dealing with congestion or respiratory issues. Pineapple might be able to help. Bromelain, that incredible enzyme, swoops in again to save the day. Bromelain has been shown to help reduce mucus buildup and inflammation in the respiratory system, making it easier to breathe. It's like a natural decongestant, clearing those airways and promoting respiratory health. Luscious Locks Pineapple for healthy hair growth. Want healthy, strong hair that shines? Pineapple can help you achieve your hair goals. This tropical fruit is packed with vitamins and minerals that are essential for hair growth and strength. We're talking about vitamin C for collagen production, biotin for hair thickness, and even manganese for preventing hair loss. It's like a natural multivitamin for your hair. Blood pressure under control. Pineapple's potassium power. Maintaining healthy blood pressure is crucial for overall health, and pineapple can play a supporting role. This tropical fruit is a good source of potassium, a mineral that helps regulate blood pressure levels. Potassium works by counteracting the negative effects of sodium, helping to relax blood vessels and lower blood pressure. Happy kidneys, happy life. Pineapple's hydration power. Your kidneys are like your body's filtration system, working tirelessly to remove waste products and keep you healthy. And guess what? Pineapple can give them a helping hand. This juicy fruit is loaded with water, which helps flush out toxins and supports kidney function. It's like a natural detox drink for your kidneys. Sinus relief. Pineapple's natural decongestant properties, dealing with a stuffy nose and sinus pressure. Pineapple might be your new best friend. Bromelain, that amazing enzyme we keep talking about, can work wonders in reducing sinus inflammation and improving breathing. It's like a natural decongestant, helping to clear those sinuses and relieve that uncomfortable pressure. Gut health is key. Pineapple's fiber powerhouse. A healthy gut is crucial for overall health, and pineapple can play a starring role in keeping your digestive system running smoothly. This tropical fruit is a good source of fiber, a type of carbohydrate that your body can't digest. But here's the thing, fiber is like a superhero for your gut. It adds bulk to your stool, promoting regular bowel movements and preventing constipation. Menstrual cramp relief. Pineapple to the rescue, ladies. If you dread those monthly cramps, pineapple might just become your new best friend. Remember bromelain, that incredible enzyme with a knack for reducing inflammation? Well, it turns out bromelain can also help alleviate menstrual cramps by relaxing the muscles in the uterus. It's like a natural pain reliever, easing those cramps and making your period a little less uncomfortable. Sharp mind, healthy brain, pineapple for mental clarity. Want to keep your brain sharp and focused? Pineapple can give you a cognitive boost. This tropical fruit is packed with nutrients that are essential for brain health, including vitamin C, manganese, and antioxidants. These nutrients work together to protect your brain cells from damage, improve memory and focus, and even reduce the risk of cognitive decline. Post-workout recovery, pineapple for muscle repair. If you're hitting the gym hard, pineapple can be your secret weapon for muscle recovery. Bromelain, that incredible enzyme we keep talking about, can help reduce muscle soreness and speed up recovery after exercise. It works by reducing inflammation in the muscles and promoting blood flow, which helps deliver nutrients and oxygen to those tired muscles. A healthy pregnancy, pineapple's benefits for mom and baby. Pregnancy is a special time, and pineapple can be a nutritious addition to a healthy pregnancy diet. This tropical fruit is packed with essential vitamins and minerals that are beneficial for both the mother and the developing baby. We're talking about folate for healthy cell growth, vitamin C for a strong immune system, and even fiber to prevent constipation, a common pregnancy woe. Cancer prevention, pineapple's powerful antioxidants. While no single food can guarantee cancer prevention, pineapple contains powerful antioxidants that may help reduce the risk of certain types of cancer. These antioxidants work by protecting your cells from damage caused by free radicals, those unstable molecules that can contribute to cancer development. It's just another reason to enjoy this delicious and nutritious fruit. Liver detox, pineapple's cleansing power. Your liver is your body's natural detoxifier, working tirelessly to filter toxins from your blood. And guess what? Pineapple can give your liver a helping hand. This tropical fruit contains compounds that can help support liver function and promote detoxification. It's like a natural cleanse for your liver. Get your blood flowing. Pineapple for healthy circulation. Good circulation is essential for overall health, and pineapple can play a supporting role. Remember bromelain, that incredible enzyme with a knack for preventing blood clots? Well, bromelain can also help improve blood flow and reduce the risk of blood clots by thinning the blood and relaxing blood vessels. It's like a natural circulation booster. Asthma relief, pineapple's anti-inflammatory properties. For those living with asthma, pineapple might offer some relief from those troublesome symptoms. The anti-inflammatory properties of bromelain can help reduce inflammation in the airways, making it easier to breathe. It's like a natural anti-inflammatory, calming those airways and reducing the severity of asthma attacks. Live long and prosper. Pineapple for longevity. When it comes to living a long and healthy life, pineapple deserves a place on your plate. With its incredible array of vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and that powerful enzyme bromelain, pineapple provides a wide range of health benefits that can contribute to a longer, healthier life. So make pineapple a regular part of your diet and reap the rewards of this tropical superfood. Pineapple power, unlocking a healthier you, and there you have it, 30 amazing benefits of pineapple. From boosting your immune system to supporting digestion, promoting heart health, and even improving your mood, this tropical fruit is a true powerhouse of nutrition. So, next time you're at the grocery store, be sure to pick up a ripe pineapple and experience the delicious taste and incredible health benefits for yourself. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more health tips and tricks. See you next time.